This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Hector Rodriguez. Pristine 3-1 in desirable Hollywood neighborhood west/oversize yard, 16 by 25 stamped concrete double-car driveway, plus additional shed. Large living, dining area west sliding door to backyard. Split bedroom layout with large master bedroom and ample closet space. There is a separate laundry room with full-size washer/dryer leading to side yard. Ready to move in, close to shopping, schools, worship. 5 minutes to the Hard Rock Guitar Hotel/Casino and only 10 minutes to the beautiful Hollywood beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Hector Rodriguez at 954-693-0100.